All right, so this is another round of the 10-minute warm-up, and we're going to work to starting to loosen up the chest, the shoulders, and the upper back primarily here. A few other things as well, of course. But to start this out, go ahead, bring yourself into all fours. So hands down and knees down here to start, and we're going to take this into a bridging variation. So once you bring your knees out a little bit wider than your hips, go ahead and point the big toes toward each other. Walk your hands back so you can bring your seat down to your heels with your hands behind. Now keep your hands shoulder width, and if you can, try to stay light and stay on your fingertips. And we're going to work some bridging from here and take it up and down. To make this work, be sure you kick your feet into the floor and squeeze your glutes as your hips push up and forward. So back and forth, kick down, squeeze your glutes, lift up, just take it slow. And then sink back down. Kick into the floor, lift your hips, open up. And then sink back down. Kick into the floor. Push your hips up and forward. Let your head fall back. And bring it back down. Kick into the floor. Lift your hips up. And then sink back down. Kick into the floor. Push your hips up and forward again. And then bring it back down. And we're going to lift and lower from here. Now, I'm going to try to take this with a lower body focus here to start. And if that's too much, if you even have your hands behind you to keep the weight in your legs, you can just take the same thing. But we're going to take it slow with a 5-count lifting and a 5-count lowering. Now, if you can keep your hands lifted, just bring them in front of your chest and try to keep your torso upright. Either way, kick your feet down and come up slow. So start to lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze the glutes, push the hips forward. Come back down slow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just to touch the heels. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hips forward. Bring it back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze your glutes. Bring it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting 2 more times. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then come back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then once you're up, bring your hands down to the floor. And just move a little bit side to side. Keep your low back loose. And we'll do a little bit of twisting from here. Now just keep your hips stacked over your knees, but bring your forearms down to the floor. So once the elbows are down, keep the forearms parallel, palms on the mat, and your forearms are going to stay grounded like this. We're going to twist back and forth, moving your legs one at a time. Keep your knees bent. And just feel this twist out. Take it to where you can. So lift your right leg. Bring the right foot over the left. Try to touch the floor. Feel that twist through your spine. And then bring the knee back down. Lift your left foot. The knee stays bent. Left foot over the right, touch down. And then come back to center. Right foot over the left again. You can always shift around here. Come back to center, both knees down. Left foot over the right side, feel the twist. And bring it back to center. Right foot over the left one more time. Come back to center here. Left foot over the right one more time. And then come back to center. Now once both knees are down, keep the forearms where they are. But then start to walk your knees back. And pull your shoulders back so they're actually behind your elbows, so you're a little bit more stretched out. And we're going to twist from the upper body. Now this time, just keep the right forearm where it is. Keep the elbow down. With an inhale, reach your left arm high. And with the exhale, bring the left arm underneath. And bring the shoulder down as low as you can. Now inhale, reach your left arm up again. Exhale, twist left arm underneath. One more time. Inhale, reach your left arm up high. Exhale, left arm underneath. Now stay down. Get the shoulders as low as you can. This will probably feel a bit constrained. Push the left arm into the floor. Try to look up over your right shoulder. And if you want to go further, slide your right foot back, but drop the right hip down to keep your twist. Now, if you lifted the right knee, set it back down. And then come back to center, back to both forearms. And again, see that it's stretched out and your shoulders are behind your elbows. Here, let's take the other side. Inhale your right arm high this time. Exhale, right arm underneath, bring your shoulder down low. Inhale, reach that right arm up. Exhale, twist and bring the arm underneath. Inhale, reach the right arm high. Exhale, one more time, right arm underneath, keep the twist. Now press the right arm into the floor, bring the shoulder down low. Look up over your left shoulder. If you want to go further, go ahead, slide your left foot back, but drop your left hip down so you're still feeling that twist. All right, bring the left knee back down if it's lifted. And then come up onto both hands, come into all fours. And then from here, we'll take this into the wrist. Now start with your hips over your knees and your shoulders over your wrist, palms down. Rotate your hands, fingertips to the sides and then in toward the knees as far as you can go. Now set your hands flat, spread the fingers wide and dig your fingertips into the floor. Grip your floor. And then start to slide your knees further back if you want to go deeper, but only so far as your palms are still flat. Now as you hold this could be enough. You can just move side to side, maybe just wiggle around as your hands are gripping. But if you can take this further, I want you to start to get some mobility between the shoulder blades. So for that, keep gripping the floor and keep your arms straight. Sink your chest down as low as you can. And then press your spine up toward the ceiling. And just feel yourself moving your rib cage down and up and take it back and forth at your own pace. So as you sink down, feel the shoulder blades squeeze toward each other. As you press up, feel the shoulder blades spread apart. Keep your belly pulled in. So your pelvis basically stays at the same angle and you're just moving through the upper body. Now if you're more mobile between the shoulder blades, you can make this a little bit more circular, but you're mostly just moving up and down. The next time you press your spine up high, just hold that for a moment. And then release. Come up onto the fingertips. Bring yourself down to sitting on your heels. And just shake your hands out for a moment. Loosen up your fingers and your wrists. All right, once you're ready, bring the legs out from underneath you. Come to a seat. And let's go ahead and take this into reverse tabletop. Now, feet in front, hips width, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Palms down, fingertips to the side, or you can point your fingers toward your feet, whatever suits you best. Push down, lift your seat up off the floor. And let's go up and down. With an inhale, press your hips up and squeeze your glutes. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift up high. Exhale, lower. Inhale, press your hips up again. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, lift this up. And exhale, lower. Inhale, lift one more time. Hold here. Keep your glutes squeezing. Keep pushing up. Lift your chest. You can look forward. You can look up. You can hang your head back. Take an inhale. And with the exhale, come all the way down. Once you're down, shake your hands out for a moment. And we're going to use this setup for a little bit of twisting here. Now just keep the feet hips width and bring the hands behind the shoulders again. Fingertips point out to the sides, right and left. And then just lift your seat up off the floor, but keep your hips low. Now let's take the first round slow, and then we'll keep moving from here. So lift your left foot up off the floor. Now reach your right arm across and touch the floor to your left side. And then just come back into center, both hands and both feet down. Lift the right foot. Reach your left arm across, touch the floor. And then come back to center. Lift your left foot. Now reach the right arm across. You can touch down with the fingers or go deeper and bring the elbow down. And then come back to center. And then lift your right foot. Left arm across. Touch down with the fingers or the elbow. And then back to center. Now twist over to your left again to wherever you want it to go. And then come back to center. Twist over to your right side. And bring it back to center. Over to your left again. And then back to center here. Twist to your right. And come back to center. Twist over to your left side. Bring it back to center. Twist to the right. And come back to center. Over to the left again. Back to center. And then twist right. Back to center one more round. Twist over to your left side again. And then back to center. Twist to the right one more time. And then back to center. Go ahead, set yourself down. And go check your hands out for a moment. When you're ready, cross at the ankles. Come forward your hands. And once you're in all fours, take this into kneeling. Now I want you to set this up so your knees are about hips width. And we'll work this mostly from the legs. So go ahead, walk your hands in, bring yourself up tall. Now you're going to move your legs one at a time. So this is more of a balance exercise than anything else. So if you need to, if you're unstable, just keep your hands reaching out to the sides. You can always bring a hand to the floor. Otherwise, you can bring your hands to your hips, or maybe keep your hands in front of your chest. Try to take it slow and move with control. Now, put your weight to your left leg. And then as controlled as you can, step the right foot forward, set it down light. And then bring your right knee back down. Try to move with some control here. Bring your weight to the right side. Left foot forward, step it down softly. And then bring your left knee back down again, move with control. Right foot forward again. And then bring your right knee down, not too fast. And then bring your left foot forward, set it down light. And bring the knee back down. Right foot forward again. And then bring the right knee down. Step your left foot forward. and bring the knee back down. Let's take 2 more rounds. Step your right foot forward again. Take it slow. And then bring the knee back down to the floor. Bring your left foot forward. Set it down light. And bring the knee back down. Right foot forward again 1 more time. And then bring the knee back down. Step your left foot forward 1 more time. And bring the knee back down to the mat. And then just bring your hands down. Come into all fours. You can check your legs out and maybe move around. And we'll do one more thing here. We're going to take this into a lopsided setup. So I want you to come down to a lopsided plank. So it's going to be right forearm down on the floor. Elbow to the side, bring the right hand to center. Side forearm's diagonal in relation to the rest of your body. Slide your left hand back so you can stack the elbow above the wrist and keep the elbow pulled in. Now just keep your chest facing down. Step your feet straight back. Bring your body into line, legs together. And just keep looking down. Now let's go back and forth from here. Walk your feet forward. Let the knees bend. Bring your hips up as high as you can go. And then walk your feet back. Bring your body into line, back to plank. Again, walk your feet forward. Hips up as high as you can lift. Walk this back out and bring your body in line. Now, one more time, walk your feet forward. Get your hips up high, keep looking down. And then just go back and forth here. Inhale your left leg up as high as you can. Bring the left knee down, touch the left arm. Left leg up as high as you can lift. Bring the knee down, touch your arm. Left leg up high one more time. Bring the knee down. Now keep that left knee on your arm. Pull the left heel in close. As you're looking down, using the thighs, squeeze the right leg over so it touches the left. And then let go. Bring both feet down, both knees down. Come up to all fours. All right, let's take it to the other side. Once you're ready, bring your left forearm down this time. Left elbow to the side, left hand moves into the center, side forearm's diagonal. Slide your right hand back, keep the elbow above the wrist, and keep the elbow pulled in. Just look down. Step your feet back, bring your body into line, legs together. And let's go back and forth. Walk the feet forward. Get the hips up as high as you can go. And then walk your feet back. Come back to plank, bring your body into line. Again, feet forward. Bring the hips up as high as you can lift. Walk it back out, and then come back into plank. Walk the feet forward. Now lift your hips high and keep them lifted, keep looking down. And then raise your right leg up as high as you can. Bring the right knee down, just touch the right arm. Right leg up as high as you can lift. Bring the knee down, touch your arm. Right leg up high one more time. Bring the knee onto the right arm, keep it there. Pull the right heel in close. And then using a thigh, squeeze the left leg over to touch the right. And then let go. Bring the feet down. Bring your knees down. Come up to all fours. All right. And that is the 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.